If you want to make money uploading photographs from your cell phone, this is the video for you. So stick around and don't miss anything. Hello YouTubers and Assalamu Alaikum. This is Danish from Affiliates Den. Before we get into the video, I would appreciate if you can just smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I release my new video. Now, you have a cell phone. Lots of pictures in it. What if I tell you you can make a decent amount of money by uploading those pictures for copyrights? Well, not exactly copyrights, but well, it's kind of technical. I mean, you get to keep some copyrights, and you get to relinquish some copyrights from your photos, but it's all good because you're getting paid from, I don't know, starting from $20 to $50 or maybe even $125. Yes, you heard me right. Simply sharing decent quality photographs from your cell phone. Now, the name of this company was providing this facility is IEM. Yes, sir, IEM. Now, this company, what it does, it takes photographs from people like you and me who upload their photographs onto their database, and they resell those photographs on different commercial licenses, and whatever they make from those sales, they share a certain amount with the uploader, the photographers. So, and they're working with big companies, as you can see, Canon, Adobe. I don't know the rest of them, but they're doing some good business with big names. So, how much do they pay, and what is the process? It's quite simple. They do have an option for that where you can upload your photographs from desktop, but mainly they focus on their app, which is available for both Android and iOS. Let me click this one for photographers. What you need to do is come over here and just click this button over here, photographers, and here you can go to the Play Store and App Store, or you can just directly go to the stores and find the app from the store. But I'm trying to show you something here is that these, a little description on the website. IEM community get inspired by 20 million creators. You can get inspiration and recreate their photographs to have better chances of selling them. And you get exposure, you get rewarded, of course, then upload and sell, yes. And they look, these three companies I know, Airbnb, Getty Images, Spotify. You can they can sell your pictures, your photographs to these companies, and they're not gonna pay like $1 or $2. They're gonna pay some big amount, and from that sale you make some commission over selling your photographs. What happens when you go over here, start selling? Sign up is easy peasy. You can just log in with your Facebook, so there's no lengthy forms to fill in. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? Oh, just go ahead, sign up, sell your images. Don't sell anything risque, because you don't want them to ban you or anything. And that goes without saying. I mean, you're not supposed to. When the mainstream websites are very, they don't like dirty stuff. So don't even try to test them. Subscriptions, okay. How are photos priced? When you sell a photo through IEM Market, you'll 50% commission. Okay. Social licenses, you get $20. $20. Okay, I was off. $20 per photo. $50 per photo for web license, and full commercial licenses are sold for $250 per photo. Okay. Now, social licenses, they're restricted to only promote your photo or use your photo. The company, not IEM, the company, they are going to sell your photographs under social licenses are bound to share them only socially. That's what I understand from this. Web licenses, anywhere in the web, and for full commercial licenses, they can use it, they can redo it, they can amend it, they can recreate it, they can resell it. You just relinquish your ownership of the photo, because for the first two you get to keep the copyrights, but for the third one you relinquish your copyrights, relinquish the copyrights of the photo that you have uploaded. You can upload in batches, you can upload one at a time. That's all very possible. And yes, the payment is done through PayPal. So if you don't have PayPal in your country, you just have to wait for PayPal to start operating in your region. Otherwise, this is not for you. Sorry about that. There's nothing I can do about, but this channel is about sharing information that I gather from the internet and from fellow YouTubers about how to make money online. So this is making money online, but you don't get to do it if you don't have PayPal in your region. Sorry about that. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just you gotta sign up and start uploading, and fingers crossed, maybe you sell a couple of photographs. And if you're a decent photographer, you know how to handle a cell phone camera, and you take pictures of sceneries and some fun stuff. You can definitely do good on this platform. So, well, that's about it. Take care. And before you move on to the next video, I would appreciate it if you can just take a look at the description of this video, because I'm promoting a free, absolutely free, no strings attached, no misdirections, absolutely free ebook on how to make it big with affiliate marketing. It's absolutely free. There's no redirecting to another website and asking for a credit card or anything. You just submit and it downloads. It takes you to Google Docs, and you can, from there you can download. So do try it out. And just below that, there's another link for a free workshop by the person who's actually my business partner. This is the same person who wrote that book. So don't miss that out. It's just they have 2 or 3 weekly workshops, absolutely free. Again, no strings attached. Just attend one of the workshop, and I guarantee you wouldn't want to miss the next one. So do check them out, and have a nice day. Take care.